It's time to shine! We take different kinds of glitter, beads, and sand in order to film the most magical effects in slow motion. Watch our new video to find out which glitter looks the best. Our girls adore everything that sparkles. That's why they are fond of a new trend. In the app TikTok, there are a lot of videos of glitter slowly spreading over the lens, and it twinkles like magic. The blue-eyed girl and redhead keep up with the glitter trends. When they finish watching all the videos on TikTok, they decide to fill the world with glitter themselves. But they will do it in a scientific way. The girls will carry out experiments with glitter of different shapes and sizes to decide which one looks the best in slow-mo. Turn on the flash and sprinkle the glitter onto the phone. First of all, we take a look at the blue-eyed girl's big glitter. It looks like shooting stars. The stars fall onto the phone like a heavy rain. Then redhead sprinkles tiny stars. Let's check out the result. These little stars look more elegant in the video. And the best part is that we can make a wish in slow-mo while the stars are falling. Now we swap. For the next round, the blue-eyed girl takes fine mica, and redhead takes a bag of confetti. Let's see whose result is better. Redhead covers her phone with confetti. And the blue-eyed girl sprinkles her pink mica, which looks like magical dust. Now let's watch the videos. Confetti looks like flakes of snow in slow-mo. But the fine mica looks way better. It seems like Tinkerbell scattered her magical fairy dust, and the phone is about to fly away. Fine glitter looks more spectacular here. Redhead is sure that not only a hand with glitter can be in the video, but also her pretty face. How about shooting her throwing glitter in front of her face? Lights, camera, glitter! Let's see the result. Redhead looks amazing on the video. And now we convince the blue-eyed girl to pose for the glittering video. But she doesn't want to be on it. Redhead begs the blue-eyed girl, and she reluctantly agrees. It's obvious right away that the blue-eyed girl doesn't like glittering dust being thrown into her eyes. We should delete these. Now let's experiment with colors. Each girl takes 2 glitter bags of different colors. We will mix them and see which shade is better. Let's test it. Pink and blue glitter slowly creates a colorful kaleidoscope. But the blue-eyed girl's pink gold looks more luxurious in shot. It's a TikTok fit for a queen. There is one issue in this glitter challenge. The video is not the only thing that's shining. Glitter is all over the place. The blue-eyed girl takes out a brush to swipe off the excess, but a new idea comes into her head. We will use the brush to apply glitter. The blue-eyed girl takes a powder brush, and redhead has a fan brush. Let's see how this technology works. The girls are using different methods. First, flick the glitter off the bristles of a fan brush. The effect is amazing! And tap the handle of a powder brush. Little portions of glitter are falling down. Now let's swap the brushes. The powder brush gives a lot of glitter right away. And the glitter on the fan brush comes down like a magical snowfall. We like all the results! The blue-eyed girl is sprinkling glitter onto the table. But Redhead comes and makes a small flood. Oops! Sorry, friend! But it turns out that the effect of pouring water on video adds dynamics to our glitter. It's a new special effect for a shining photo shoot. The blue-eyed girl has an idea. Let's make a sparkling fountain on the street. Put glitter into a bottle with water and release a little fountain onto your camera. Now that's a twinkling burst of emotions! But the blue-eyed girl thinks that this isn't enough. She puts a lot of glitter of different colors into the water. Turn on the waterworks, Redhead! The sparkling waves burst out of the bottle. It's awesome! But we aren't done with our water experiment yet. The blue-eyed girl puts bright stars into the bottle. The stars burst out and decorate the ground. And now let's arrange a real water show. The girls decide to get under the glittering rain from the bottle. Our girls are ready to film new experiments. This time, they use a tripod, and they will sprinkle glitter not on a phone, but onto the table. They wonder how it will turn out. They start with tiny balls. Not bad! The balls jump and bounce against the surface and look cute. Now, let's try out balls of different colors. We get a colorful hailstorm. The glittering balls look great on this table. Let's scatter our hearts now. The blue-eyed girl has a whole pile of beads with hearts. Watch them fall. The hearts bounce off the surface in such a funny way. They are impossible to break, just like our hearts. The girls are thinking about something else to throw. What about color-changing beads? They can make any video look good. Turn on the flash and toss them onto the table. These colorful beads sparkle radiantly under the lights. They were born to be movie stars. The girls find two identical bags with silver balls. This must be fate. Let's tear them at the same time in front of the camera. Get prepared. Ready, set, go! A simultaneous burst of balls on the video goes beyond our expectations. That was a lot of fun! The girls are unstoppable. These brilliant directors sprinkle everything that gets into their hands onto the table. The blue-eyed girl finds rhinestones. They will also decorate our set. The rhinestones add a finishing touch to this field of glow, glitter, and beauty. The girls have way too much stuff to film on their table, and the blue-eyed girl decides to blow off some glitter. It's a great idea! Do the same onto the camera. The blue-eyed girl blows off the glittery dust. It looks very spectacular. And the girls love the result. How about doing it again? But this time, Redhead suggests blowing glitter off her palm. Let's see how it will turn out. The blue-eyed girl blows fine mica off her palm. It looks gentle and nice. She's like a magical fairy. One blow and Redhead is all covered in glitter. Being a camera girl is pretty difficult. Now it's Redhead's turn to be filmed. She puts sequins of different colors onto her palm. Redhead exhales shine and happiness. The effect looks absolutely wonderful. The girls are satisfied with the idea. The blue-eyed girl has a whole set of colorful sand. We need to film it right now. The girls create a colorful desert on the table. And then they blow the sand like a powerful wind. This colorful Sahara desert looks great on the table. The girls prepared bowls full of Orbeez. It's time to use them for our experiment. On 3! Wow! The balls scattered over the table like a colorful kaleidoscope. You won't get bored with a decoration like this. The girls are watching their videos, and the Orbeez wars are still continuing. Did you like our bright ideas for your videos? Then write in the comments which glitter, rhinestones, or colorful sand you would film with your friends. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss a new glitter challenge on Troom.